Hello again, Mandarin Explorers. It's Leo here, ready to take you on another exciting journey in Mandarin Odyssey. Today, we're going to master a fundamental aspect of any language numbers. Understanding numbers in Mandarin opens up countless doors, from shopping to setting up appointments. So, let's dive in. Let's start simple. In Mandarin, numbers from 1 to 10 are the building blocks for almost everything else. Here they are: 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十. Now let's build on these basics. In Mandarin, forming numbers above 10 is logical and straightforward. For example, 11 is 11, 22 is 22, and so forth. It's all about patterns. Now let's count from 11 to 20 together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Now a little test for you. How do you read 65? That's right. 65. Let's try another one. How about this one? 71. That's right. 71. Now let's try. This one can be a little bit challenging due to the pronunciation. How do you pronounce this one? 44. Pretty good. It's 44. I know it sounds like a tongue twist. Actually, we do have a tongue twist in Mandarin. It's like 40 is 40, 14 is 14. 40是40, 14, 14是14. It is a tongue twist, but you are doing a great job. Some numbers in Chinese culture hold special meanings. For instance, number 8, 八, symbolize luck, because 八, the pronunciation is similar with the Chinese character 发, like 发财, 恭喜发财, wish you get rich. So 发 also means luck. That's why when you go to some Chinese places, like a restaurant, when you ask for the passcode of the Wi-Fi in that restaurant, the passcode tends to be something something ba 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 ba, name of the restaurant ba 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 ba, things like that. And also the phone numbers, as long as it has a lot of ba, a lot of 8 in a phone number, tends to be very hard to get, very expensive. Or even the car plate. So many Chinese people, including me, we love number 8, 八, because it symbolizes good luck. There is a number I can't say we hate, but we try to avoid it in our daily life. The number is number 4, 四. Because this number, 四, the pronunciation is similar to the character 死, which means death. This is something serious. 死 means death. So you can't say I like the number 4 in Mandarin. It's like you like to die. I'm kidding. The point is we try not to have too many 四, number 4, in those objects we use, like our phone number, car plate, especially car plate, I think. It's a bad luck to have too many 4, number 4, in the number of your car plate. Ready to go higher? Let's tackle hundreds, thousands, and beyond. The key is the word 百 for 100, 千 for 1,000, and 万 for 10,000. For example, 100 is 100, 200 is 200, 1000 is 1,000. Pay attention to the character 万. You know, in English, you have 10,000. But in Mandarin, as long as it's bigger than 10,000, we use this character, 1. For example, 30,000 in Mandarin is 3万, not 30,000. You can never say 30,000. It's terribly wrong. Now let's practice. How do you say this number in Mandarin? 500. Very good. 500. How about this one? 3,000. Nice. 3,000. The last one. How do you say this number in Mandarin? 80,000. 8万. Perfect. Numbers are essential for shopping. If you go to a Chinese market or Chinese restaurant, the sentence 这个多少钱 will become your best friend because you'll use it almost every day in your daily life as long as you are trying to buy something. The key phrase here is 多少钱, meaning how much. Depending on the subject, you can say 这件衣服多少钱? How much is this t-shirt? Or 这瓶水多少钱? How much is this bottle of water? Or 这个菜多少钱? How much is this dish? Alright, time to talk about time. Telling time and understanding dates in Mandarin is all about numbers. For hours, we use 点. For minutes, we use 分. Dates follow a year, month, day format. The rule here is the bigger unit comes first. It's the opposite compared to English. For example, today is 2024年3月8号. The bigger unit comes first. Quite straightforward once you know your numbers. Let's practice together. How do you say this time in Mandarin? Very good. It's 3点15分. See, as long as you know for o'clock, we use 点. For minutes, we use 分. And then as long as you know the numbers, you will know how to say time in Mandarin. Let's try another one. You didn't get this one right. You see, when it's 2 o'clock, we don't say up. We use 两. 两 also means 2. The difference is, as long as there is a measure word, like 点 o'clock, in some sense, it's also a measure word for time. So we don't use up, we use 两. So this time is 2点30分. For example, you want to say 2 apples. You can't say 2个苹果. Normally we say 2个苹果 because 个 is a measure word for apples. That's the difference between 2 and 2. And it's actually a common mistake many students make. Now let's continue to practice the time and dates. Let's not deviate too much. How do you say this time in Mandarin? You see, I would say 90%. Because when the 0 is in between numbers, we should read it aloud as well. So this time should read as 3点05分. 0 in Mandarin is 0. So you can't say 3点5分. It's not entirely right. It's not completely right. You have to read 0. After those practice we just did, you basically can avoid all those mistakes that some students often make. Now let's practice date. How do you say this date in Mandarin? Remember, the bigger unit comes first. That's right. 2022年2月20号. Let's try another one. How do you say this date in Mandarin? That's right. 2023年10月7号. Another way to say it is 2023年10月7日. You can use 日 or 号. They are interchangeable. But I think 号 is more casual. 日 is a little bit more formal. I heard 号 a lot. Fantastic work today, everyone. Numbers are more than just digits. They are a crucial part of daily communication in Mandarin. Keep practicing, and soon, dealing with numbers will become second nature to you. For homework, I'd like you to create a short diary entry in Mandarin, including dates, time, and quantities. And remember, every number counts on your journey to Mandarin proficiency. Keep practicing. 再见。